Express cargo service, the biggest issue in Pakistan. Importing goods and ensuring their safety. One of the biggest challenges faced by people in Pakistan is importing goods from other countries while ensuring their safety. Many individuals face significant stress while importing, such as searching for reliable freight forwarders, avoiding heavy customs duties, and ensuring timely delivery of their goods without any damage. These issues have become a major concern for both businesses and online shoppers, but now there's a solution. Express Cargo offers safe and reliable delivery of your goods from China, the USA, and Dubai to Pakistan, right to your doorstep. Thousands of satisfied customers in Pakistan trust Express Cargo for their shipping needs because they know their goods will arrive on time, safely, and at an affordable cost. Express Cargo, your reliable and efficient shipping solution. For more information and to get in touch, www.expressclearing.pk.